Hey guys, if you've been trying to download the Astra theme and it's not showing, it's because it's been suspended by WordPress because they did not follow the guidelines. So when you go to look for Astra theme, all you get is this, and it's not the Astra theme that you want. There is another way that you can upload it to WordPress. Follow along to the end and I'll show you the exact steps. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing and support this video by hitting the like button. So since you can't download the Astra theme through WordPress dashboard, so the easiest way is to do it manually. You would need to download the theme from astra.com and then download 3 other plugins. Follow along to the end and I'll show you the exact steps. It's not that hard at all if you follow along. Go to wpastra.com. Download the theme. You don't need to sign up, just download it. Once you download it, move it into desktop. From here, go to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Appearance, Themes. Go to the top and Upload. Hit the Upload theme in the top again. Choose the file. Look for the zip file that you downloaded from Astra. Click it and then hit install. This only takes a few seconds. I might need to have to click it again. My computer's kind of slow. Let's see. There it goes, uploaded successfully. Now go to Themes and activate it. There goes your Astra theme. Activate it. So now that you got your theme, you'll need the plugins. Go to Plugins, Add New. We'll need to download 3 plugins. The first 2 plugins are under the keyword Elementor. The first plugin is the Elementor Page Builder. Install. And the second one is the Elementor Header and Footer and Blocks template. It's right below it. For the third plugin, the keyword is Starter Templates. Find the plugin. It should be, it's the first one. Install it. Once you downloaded the 3 plugins, go to the plugins page and activate them. Be sure to activate the 3 plugins that you downloaded. Once you have those plugins activated, you can start customizing your website. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.